Well, we're going to show you today our Griffin technology demonstrator. The U.S. Army has some requirements that are emerging in their light infantry brigades, and so over the last 5 months we've taken from a concept to development of merging 3 different mature technologies together. So what we've done is taken the British Scout vehicle, now called Ajax, their chassis, we've taken Abrams turret, made it lighter, and then we took the investment the Army made in future combat systems and integrated the 120 millimeter lightweight cannon onto this particular chassis. So we've taken advantage of our clients' investment in 3 different programs and put them together in 5 months to show the Army what, number one, what industry is able to do in rapid prototyping, but also to give us that conversation piece so that people can actually see, feel, look, taste what this thing looks like, to tell us what they like, what they don't like, what they'd like more of, less of, what things they're willing to trade. So when we leave AUSA after talking to all of the Army leadership, we'll have a much better idea of what their end state ought to be. And sometime next year, we'll show that to them down at Fort Benning, Georgia, and hopefully we've hit the nail on the head, that we've taken the time and listened to our client well enough that we've done another rapid prototyping and shown them a system closer to what they really want in the end. Well, as you see it right now, it weighs 27 tons. It is 7.62 AP capable, and then there's modular package to take it up to even more ballistic capabilities, depending on what the Army needs and wants. So we can still keep this vehicle under 32 tons with all of the kinds of protection that the Army thinks is required in the mission that this vehicle would be in. The turret is an Abrams-like turret. The Abrams turret weighs a significant amount of weight. This is about 1/3 the weight of an Abrams turret, but the same feel. So an Abrams gunner and an Abrams loader will feel right at home inside of this turret. So the training requirements would be lessened, the sustainment and maintenance requirements would be lessened. It takes advantage of the Army's modernization program for Abrams, because all of those modernized technologies can be applied to this particular turret. So all the money that the Army's invested in Abrams modernization could be used in this kind of an environment. So we feel very good about being able to leverage all those investments. Well, first of all, we need to continue to refine what the Army really wants. But we can do a lot of things with almost any kind of platform. If they want it lighter, we can make it lighter. There's some trades that have to be done. How much armor do you want? What kind of power do you want in the engine? So there's some things that we can do that would make this thing lighter or more capable and heavier, depending on what the Army really ends up wanting. But we feel very good that industry, especially original equipment manufacturers like us that have the capability of developing these things rapidly with manufacturing capabilities, engineering design capabilities, and our industry partners. I mean, we partnered with the Army's Research and Development Labs at RDEC for this cannon. We worked with the PEO, PM, and Abrams with the turret, and then the program in the UK for Ajax, we leveraged that one. So business industry is capable of doing a lot of things very fast, because we really don't have the same kind of restrictions that the military has.